See, in this channel and overall in your life, your goal should be to increase your value as a man in every sort of aspect, in your attractiveness and your style and your grooming and your personal development and your knowledge. You want to increase your value in every single aspect of your life. However, there are certain mistakes that you're constantly making that are probably decreasing your value in all these parameters. Let's hop into this. Number one, lack of knowledge. Look, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better you can connect with people. You'll be more compassionate and more empathetic, and you'll become better at problem solving. This is why there's this quote that says something along the lines of, if you don't read, you'll live one lifetime. However, if you do read, you can live multiple lifetimes. See, anytime you read and you consume knowledge, you're consuming the perspective and the life experiences of other people through their vision. And this is what increases your knowledge and your perspective and your ability to connect with people and your ability to be more compassionate, because you'll just be able to relate with more instances. This takes us on to number two. You lack skills. See, there is a direct correlation in our market where skills equals income. So the less skills you have, the less earned income. The more skills you have, the more earned income. And one area that almost every dude for a fact wants to increase in value is how much they earn. This is just to increase your quality of life and ability to be able to live comfortably and be financially sound. And the best way to increase value here, increase your skill set. You increase your skill set, you'll be more valuable at your job. You're going to be more valuable in your own business. You're going to be able to charge more because you're a professional in whatever field. Matter of fact, you just got to go to our sponsor, Skillshare. Our sponsor, Skillshare, is a creative platform that's built for creative individuals where you can learn in a community-based setting with highly produced material that are taught by professionals in that specific field. And here's the thing with Skillshare. You can literally learn almost any skill you want. Photography, they got it. Sound engineering, they got it. Marketing, personal development, productivity, videography, business, almost anything you can think of, they probably have a class, because they have thousands of classes and they're constantly uploading more. And again, all these classes are taught by professionals. So let's just say, for example, you're at a point in your life that you want to pivot. You want to change your direction. You want to change your entire career. There's actually a class for that. There's this class called Finding Fulfillment, Using Pivots to Power Your Creative Career by Emma Gannon. This is a class that you can take where it's going to take you through that stage where you're probably at, that you want to pivot out of whatever career you are at to empower a more creative field. Again, increasing your value. And then from there, once you choose what field you want to go to, you can be even more specific and start finding skills that you can build out within that creative field that you want to build. And the great part is, since this is a learning platform, there's no ads. And if money's really an issue and you really want to take action, you really want to change the course of 2022 for you, right now is the time to take action. If you guys click the link down below for the first 1,000 guys that are watching this right now that want to take action, you're going to get 1 month of Skillshare Premium absolutely free. You can change the entire course of your career if that's what you want to do and start increasing your skills. If you guys want to check out Skillshare, it's going to be linked down below. Number three, I call it the double W pandemic. And I call it the woman weakness pandemic. See, if any girl can manipulate you like a puppet, you're going to lose. You're going to lose focus, you're going to lose energy, you're going to lose drive, because you're allowing women to manipulate how you think and how you act. Your entire energy is going to be poured into pleasing her and giving her everything she wants. And you probably understand this just because women are men's kryptonite. That's like men's weakness. But if you can regain focus, now you can control where you focus your energy into the things that really matter in your life, like your future, your career, your goals, your life experiences. Focus your energy into that. Fill up yourself. And I promise you, women are going to come, especially to those dudes that don't spend their entire life just chasing them. Number four, lack of self-control. This will quickly drive down your value. If you can't control your laziness, if you can't control your alcohol consumption, your drug consumption, your partying. It's going to become an all-consuming habit. All 4 of these habits are so easy to become. Pornography is another one. Like if you just dive yourself into these habits, it's so easy to become addicted to these to the point that they control your everyday life, all your actions, all your thoughts, what you want to do. It all becomes one of these 4 things, and none of these things are actually fruitful. None of these things will actually bring you any benefit or value into your life, and instead it will detract value. It will lower you in almost every single attribute in your life. And finally, number 5, the opinions of others. See, the opinion of other people has an almost self-fulfilling effect. What I mean by this is that 90 to 95% of what people say about you is usually worthless, because only you know you 100%. Only you know how much effort you're putting in, how hard you're actually working, what you've actually been through. Nobody knows you 100% like you know yourself. So what most people say about you, most of that is worthless. However, because you allow their opinions to affect you, it becomes almost a self-fulfilling prophecy, where if somebody says you're lazy or you're a failure, it's almost like you start believing that. And because you believe it, you start acting in that manner, and you almost self-fulfill what others think about you. This is why one of your most powerful things that you can do to regain control and increase your value as a man is ignore the opinions of others and focus on your own purpose, on your own drive, on your own goals, and your own motivation, no matter what others are saying. That way, you don't fall victim into what they're categorizing you to be, and you grow up to be, or you end up or grow up to be what you want to be. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Skillshare. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.